At this point, you should already have Unity Hub installed in your computer. If you don't have it yet, I guide you on how to install the Unity Hub in your computer in the card above. Now in Unity Hub, click the Projects tab. To create a new game, you need to click the New Project button. If you see those different card options, you already have an install in your editor, and you can proceed to the next lesson.
But if you see any message asking you to install the editor, then click in the Installs tab. Now, I want you to click the Download button just to make sure you are not already installing the editor. Usually the first time you open Unity Hub automatically does it for you. If it is the case, just wait for the download and installation to finish, and you can process to the next lesson. Okay, but if you really don't have any editor, then click in the Install Editor. Now choose a version of Unity to install. I suggest you to choose versions that hold the tag LTS or Recommended because those are more stable. Click the Install button. And in the Download section, you can check the progress. When the installation is finished, if you go back to the Projects tab and click the New Project again, now you should see different options like Universal 2D, Universal 3D, and more. In the next one, you will learn how to create a new project for your game.